Okay, we're gonna have fun. Okay, this is kind of fun. I'm a little excited. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all my subbies. I want to say what's up to all the newbies. That's everybody checking me out for the very first time. I really appreciate it. Come on in, come on in. We had a really good time last week, didn't we? Yes, good times indeed. But now it's time to get back to business, get our serious faces on. Well, not so serious. We're gonna have a little bit of fun today. Because today we got a little bit of mail, a little bit of parcel that we need to peruse. So let's do that, shall we? Now, for all those who are initiated, who are familiar, if you're familiar with my confessions video, you know that I talked about how I've never worn weaves, not that there's anything wrong with it, and that I've never had any type or form of that, whether that be a regular weave, sew-in weave, or even clip-ins. Well, I guess some little hair fairies put the word out on the street that I never had clip-ins, so guess what? Now we get to play in some hair, okay? They put the word out on the street and someone answered the call, and now we got some hair to play with. So this is from BetterLength hair. I did not open it. I figure I would open it with you guys, okay? So we're gonna experience this. Well, this is gonna be my first experience with clip-ins. But yeah, so I got a little package, got a little love in the mail. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna get right to it and open it up and see what's happening. I'm excited. Must be a professional about these things. Yes. So BetterLength Hair sent me some hair. Okay, so I'm opening it up and it comes in a nice silk or satiny type pouch, and I'm loving that. It's a drawstring pouch, black and pink again, you know we like that. So let's open this up and see what is going on. Inside the pink package and inside the silky pouch, drawstring pouch, it then comes in, it's even better sealed, and it comes in a plastic or cellophane. So this is the hair. They sent me 1B off black, 16 inch. Okay, so that's what they sent me. It's going to be 16 inches off black. So it comes with the hair. So it comes with the wefts of hair, okay, in this package. And it also comes, what it looks like to me, it is an extra clip and needle and thread. So I like that. I don't know if that's customary with most clip-ins, but I think that's pretty cool. That's what they give you in addition to the hair. So we're gonna open up the hair. So this is 100% Remy human hair. Let's get the feel of it. Let's get the look of it. Let's see what's going on. BetterLength is specialized in making textured hair, okay? And this is the light Yaki, which is supposed to, I'm sorry it's making so much noise. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. This is the light Yaki, which is supposed to imitate relaxed hair. I'm feeling it now. It feels pretty good. Again, I'm not an expert, but it feels good. When I say good, what does that mean? It feels like relaxed hair. Does that make sense? So it doesn't feel like doll hair. It feels like relaxed hair, meaning a light texture to it, but not as textured as natural. Does that make any sense? So that's what it feels like to me, just now touching it. As you can see, okay? And then they bind it up this way, so everything is really neat. It's all together, so I'm gonna clip these. I'm gonna be careful not to clip the hair, but I'm gonna clip these little bands that are binding it together. 3, okay. So let us unravel these bad boys and see what we're working with, okay? I see what's going on. I've got little pieces like this. I wanna keep these together. So this one has the 2 clips on it, and they seem to be very securely fastened. Okay, so that's good. You know, you don't want to be walking around and your hair slipping out while you're thinking you're cute and it ends up on your shoulder. Or worse yet, on the ground. Hey, whose hair is that? And then you got to act like, we ain't got time for that. And this is how they clip open, and you see how that opened right there? Okay, so I'm going to close that again. For all those who are newbies like me, as far as clip-ins are concerned, it's just like a regular barrette clip or whatever, but you just bend it. You see how it's almost like a U? So you're just going to bend this, and this part, the teeth of this, is going to get into the root, and I'm going to show you. We're going to attach that to the root of our hair and clip it on like that, and that should be secure. Okay, so this looks good. It feels good. Now, my hair is a funny color, so I'm going to see if it is going to match, and you guys let me know what you think, okay? Yeah, my hair is a little redder. I can sort of tell already. My hair is just a funny color. It has a lot of red, I would say overtones, not even undertones, but undertones and overtones, but it's pretty red. A lot of red to it, but that's not bad. What do you guys think? Let's play. I think it'll work. I mean, I definitely know that my hair is not black, so I didn't want black. So anyway, these two are the same width. Okay, we got, like I said, it has the clips on it. Okay, so that's good. Let's see what the other sizes are doing. So I'm just going to unravel. Okay, see how it's rolled up? So I'm just going to unroll the roll, but pulling it apart. Okay, so that's the next weft. So this is a little wider. So that one had 2 clips. This one has 3. So we have 2 of these, the one with the 3 clips. This one has 4 clips, so this goes a little wider. And then we're back to 2 clips, okay? So 2 more wefts with just 2 clips. So by my estimation, we get 4 of these, 4 of the wefts, the shorter wefts with 2 clips. We get 1, well, I got 1. I got 1 with 4, okay? And then I got 2 with 3 clips, okay? So there's a lot to work with. Well, we're going to play in some hair. That's what we're going to do. We're going to play in some hair. We're going to have fun. All right, calm down. Calm down. It's just hair. All right, so I'm looking in the mirror, okay? So I want to see, let's see. I just want to see how this would even look. Okay, so I'm just parting my hair. I'm just doing a regular, let's see. I'm just going to part it right here. That up there. Okay, so I just parted my hair. Now I've seen where back in the day, I don't know if people still do this, they would tease the part, you know, with a comb and then put the clip-ins in. I'm not going to do that. I'm not teasing nothing. I'm just going to put the teeth up here, going to put the teeth of the clip-ins and bring it on down and just clip it. So let's see what happens. And let me just say, anytime you're dealing with something with teeth or anything that's going to attach to the roots or to your hair, be careful removing, because you don't want to be taking your hair with the clip-in hair. Okay, so just be careful removing because there are teeth involved. Okay, I'm going to put the front one in, drag it down. Here we go. Drag it down. Now I'm going to work my fingers across like this to flatten out the weft. And then I'm going to place this last one and I'm going to anchor that. See, I'm flattening it out. And now I'm anchoring it right here. So I have both of these anchored. This should be flat enough. And I've clipped that one down and I'm pushing this one down too. Okay, so now they're closed. It feels flat and straight. So I'm looking at it over here. Where's my comb? Oh, it's up here. Okay. So, now when you comb it down, be sure to remember you have clip-ins in. Okay, so you're going to feel that little metal piece, but let's see how this, now obviously my hair is curled and this is straight, but we're just gonna see what that blend looked like. It's hard to get stuff online, you know what I mean? You look at stuff, you're like, oh, it should be this, and then, you know, that's really hard. But you know what? We can work with this. This is workable. We can do something with, in fact, I'm gonna show you real quick. We can work with this, okay? I know it's a little darker, my hair's a little redder, but guess what? We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna clip it up and I'm gonna have it come, you know what? I can show you better than I can tell you. Now again, we're just having fun, okay? So we're gonna cut this. Okay, so you see how it is now, right? Okay, so hold on. Better with my fingers. I am going to anchor that there. I'm going to anchor the teeth on this part. I'm clipping them both down. Put this over here. Bring that down here. I'll blend this in here. I'm going to put this one more towards the front. We got it. We're going to get it. We got it. I'm cutting a little beyond just to be sure. I'm just going to lightly bump it. I'm not doing a whole bunch of, but just so that it's not going the opposite way. Okay. So now that I've trimmed it and sort of bumped it just a little bit, now I'm going to style it. I'm blending my hair. It's just a soft bristle brush, okay? I'm not doing a whole lot of harsh brushing. And I would put some product here just to hold it. But right now we're just gonna smooth it in. This is just to give you a rudimentary look at me changing up my style with the clip-ins. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. We can work with it. And just that quickly, I got rid of my bangs and I became a whole other person. Okay, so it's kind of fun to, you know, change up your look. And I just did something really quickly. I mean, it's not like this whole, you know, production. I wanted to show you guys really quickly, or as quickly as I could, how you can change up your look. You know, and just what I initially think about clip-ins. This is my first time, so I think they're fun. The only thing that I would say is be careful of the teeth of the clip-ins. They are very secure. So if you're using clip-ins, just be mindful not to tug at them, not to be forceful with them. And of course, during removal, take your time taking them out, because they are teeth that are anchored to the roots of your hair. So you don't want to tear out your hair, your actual hair. So we're going to do one other thing. So this is with it down, you know, we're going to flip it back. Oh yeah. Okay, so I just have the iron on low, but it's very good at taking heat, and I don't have any product on it either. Okay guys, so what do you think? I mean, we're just having a little bit of fun. Just giving you a couple of options as far as clip-ins and what you can do. Some of you guys are already, you know, veterans with this. I'm a newbie, okay? But I'm kind of liking this, you know, the versatility of it. Just giving you a whole new look. Like the straight one, let's call her Nancy. Okay, so this one with a little more zhuzh and a little, you know, flippity flip on the side, let's call her Tina. So you can be a Nancy or a Tina, whatever your heart desires. With clip-ins, it just lets you change up your look. It gives you a fuller look if that's what you're looking for. It gives you a little bit of fun, versatility. You can put a little heat in it, a little flip, okay? You can be a Nancy or a Tina, honey. But clip-ins just let you have a little fun, a little more versatility. You can flirt with different looks without committing, okay? So you can flirt and just see and try and feel without committing to the whole shebang. So that's what I like. And this is my first time, so I'm gonna play around with it, come up with some new ideas or whatever. You just wait, I'm gonna play around with the other parts We're going to see what we can do with those. But this is just in the meantime, okay? I'm still Dolce under here. But right now, I'm feeling a little Tina, okay? So if you guys are interested, you know, there is a coupon code. Yes. BetterLength has given us a discount code, guys. It's for $5 off any double wefted clip-in, okay? So if you're interested, go check it out. The code is Dolce783. And all the information is going to be down below, okay? So you can peruse it at your leisure. But these are the clip-ins, okay? These are the 16-inch clip-ins in 1B in light Yaki. But this was fun, right? This wasn't too bad. We were in and out, okay? So thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Okay, so you make sure you come on back because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.